1,000 things I would rather do right now. There has to be something better than this. Kalea turns your organic waste into nourishing compost in just 48 hours. With Kalea, you can upgrade your kitchen routine. No more smelly garbage, no more garbage hassle. Fresh compost, easily homemade, less stress for you, less methane gas, which is, by the way, 20 times more dangerous than CO2. But no panic. Doing something good and creating environmentally friendly compost is easy peasy. All you need is organic waste. And if you love cooking like we do, you'll find a lot of it at home. Kalea will take care of all your leftovers. You can fill Kalea at any time, even when it's in compost creation mode. You can't fill up any other kitchen composter while it's in use. So yes, Kalea is always ready for you when your chopping board is full. There is no compost fairy, but you can say for sure that Kalea has its own natural magic. Just plug it in, push the button, and let the compost game begin in 3 magic steps. First, the robust shredding system processes and dries all your kitchen scraps, even nutshells. In our composting chamber, we wake up the microorganisms, which are a natural part of every organic material. The intelligent sensor system measures and controls temperature, humidity, and ventilation. The result? Ready-to-use compost. Curious to see how and where Kalea's magic is made? Since 2017, the passionate Kalea team worked and tested hard on innovative technology and the perfect design to fit in every kitchen. You can't imagine how Kalea shall fix your mountain of food scraps? Let's minimize. Composting reduces the volume by about 85%. But mind the gap. See these beauties growing? You can kill them with kindness. Because not everything that is called compost is real compost. Some machines you can find on the market only shred and dry, which can be toxic to your plants. Many generations of prototypes, almost 2 years of testing. Together with leading research institutes, Kalea perfectly optimized the composting process. Just open the tray and spread some compost, which you can use for many good things. Mix it up with the regular soil and give an extra treatment to your plants. You'll love it the smart way. With the Kalea app, you are able to monitor your homemade compost, see your environmental impact, and receive great gardening tips. Take your Kalea compost outdoors and let your veggie and flower dreams grow. Kalea is made with love in Stuttgart, Germany.
I'm Chris, one of the founders of Kalea and part of this fantastic team. Support us on Indiegogo today and join us on our compost journey, because together we can create something beautiful out of our daily organic waste.